This is a quick review of our Model Y here, color customizer. I wanted to go through this real quick. Although we've got our standard colors, there's the blue there, and we've got a lot of orders going out for Valentine's. I just wanted to stop and quickly give a quick summary of this bike. Really, the Model Y has the battery in the basket here. This will give you about 40 miles of range, and the bike itself is, it's light, it's approachable. It's people from about just 4'8" to 5 feet can fit on this bike, and it is it's an overall just a cruiser style bike. The nice thing about it is what makes it stand apart from anybody else is really the fact that it has color customizer, so you can choose any color you like. In fact, for the frame, the fork, the fenders, and the chain guard, you can also choose the rim color, silver, black, or red, and your type of tires you like. Also, being a beach cruiser, this bike is actually built obviously to order, and we use only stainless rust-resistant hardware. Chain is rust-resistant, as well as the spokes, stainless, and then brass nipples, which would never rust. Also the puncture resistant tires. There's no cables on this bike, purely because we wouldn't want any of those cables to rust and corrode over time. You can add a 7-speed if you like, although it does have 1,000 watts of power, max power to the motor. We do have the derailleur option if you like, but that would include a cable. But as it comes standard, no cables. Hydraulic disc brakes. So these are the Tektro hydraulic disc brakes with the 180 millimeter rotors on front and back. So also I wanted to go over this really cool back rack that we have here. So you can attach it to the frame, and it is in fact the MIK, and we're working closely with the Dutch company. It's called Mounting is Key, and there's a system on here where you can attach all different types of accessories, but it does need to be this MIK compatible back rack. A lot more of that will be coming soon, and you'll see on our website the MIK compatible accessories. There will be saddlebags and baskets and dog carriers and child seats, and it's really nice. Anyway, so we'll also go onto the lights. The Model Y now will come standard with the color display, and the color display is really nice, fast processing time, and just overall sort of fits in really well with the bike. So colorful display with a colorful bike. Then the lights too, when you hold down the top arrow, the lights little button comes on there, and that's a really nice dual high performance light on the front, integrated, and the back light with the flashing option, and of course the reflectors and reflective mud guard there. So this bike overall starts at $14.99. We build it here at our factory. You can go to one of our dealers online. We actually got quite a few now in North America, and we're opening up a couple in Europe. You can build your own bike with them, and we can ship it to you or to the dealer, or buy it on our website. We can do the same thing there. Nice comfortable seat, really nice. Also reflective sort of logo on the back there. Hand stitched leather grips. The nice thing also, we have integrated bearings. You can't really see it, and that's the beauty about building your own bike, is you have the bearings integrated on the headset and on the bottom bracket, which obviously helps for longevity. Nice thing on the chainring is that it's a 56 tooth chainring, which is important. Most beach cruisers are about between 32 and 44 teeth, which really means at higher speeds you kind of spin out and you can't pedal much. But although the electric bike gives you assist, and you can use either pedal assist for 5 levels, or you can use your throttle, this bike also has the 56 tooth chainring, which allows you to pedal at higher speeds when your motor legally cuts out at 20 miles an hour and 28 miles an hour on pedal assist. So overall, just a beautiful bike. Thanks for watching. And yeah, order yours online, or design yours in fact online, or with your dealer, and we'll build it here at our factory and ship it to you fully assembled. Thanks.